Virtual reality has come a long way, making VR headsets more exciting and accessible than ever. Whether you're slaying dragons, exploring distant planets, or attending virtual meetings, these devices immerse you in lifelike visuals and interactive experiences, perfect for gamers, tech enthusiasts, and anyone looking for a creative way to stay connected. There's a VR headset for everyone. Standalone options like the Meta Quest 3S work independently, no PC or console needed, while high-end devices like the Apple Vision Pro offer cutting-edge visuals. Tethered systems connect to gaming PCs or consoles for top-tier graphics, and lightweight headsets are great for simple, portable VR. Meet the Meta Quest 3, a massive upgrade from the Quest 2. It's more comfortable, has higher quality screens, and full color mixed reality cameras. Priced at $500, it's powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip, delivering twice the graphics power of its predecessor. Games like Red Matter 2 look stunning with updated textures that rival PC VR. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the Quest 3S is a fantastic choice at just $300. With the same powerful processor as the Quest 3 and 8 GB of RAM, it delivers a great experience. While its screen resolution is lower, most users won't notice the difference. Plus, it connects to gaming PCs and wirelessly streams gameplay. Apple's Vision Pro is a game changer, aiming to do to VR what the iPhone did for smartphones. But at $3,500, it's a steep investment. While it offers a revolutionary mixed reality experience, its price and some usability issues mean it's best suited for developers or deep-pocketed tech enthusiasts. PlayStation VR 2 is one of the best VR gaming experiences available, with dual 2K OLED HDR screens, eye tracking, and headset haptics. It brings a new level of immersion. At $550, it's pricier than a PS5, but if you want high-quality VR gaming without a PC, it's a great choice. For serious PC gamers, the Valve Index offers a premium VR experience. Priced at $999, it includes a 144Hz refresh rate, a 130-degree field of view, and incredible finger tracking controllers, perfect for gamers like Half-Life Alyx. While it requires a wired connection and external sensors, the payoff is next-level immersion. And then there's Big Screen Beyond, the lightest VR headset ever, weighing just a bit more than a deck of cards. It features micro OLED screens for near-perfect contrast, but comes with a hefty $999 price tag. If you're starting from scratch, expect to pay around $1,578 for the full setup. Plus, it requires a custom face cushion, making it harder to share. So whether you're a casual gamer, a tech lover, or a hardcore VR enthusiast, there's a headset out there for you. From budget-friendly options like the Quest 3S to ultra-premium choices like the Apple Vision Pro and Valve Index, the world of VR has never been more exciting. Which headset will you choose? For more updates on the latest tech, don't forget to like and subscribe.